Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate using cacao. First, gather your raw cacao beans and essential equipment. You will need a baking sheet, a food processor, and a few other common kitchen items. It is crucial to ensure all your tools are perfectly clean and dry to prevent any moisture from affecting your chocolate. This simple method is designed for home use, making delicious chocolate accessible to everyone with basic kitchen gear. Next, we move on to roasting and cracking your cacao beans. Spread your raw beans evenly on a baking sheet and roast them at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes. They should become fragrant and slightly darker. Once roasted, let them cool completely. Then, crack the beans open and carefully separate the inner cacao nibs from their thin, papery husks. This step is essential for a smooth chocolate. Now let's turn those nibs into chocolate liquor. Place your cacao nibs into a food processor and begin grinding. Initially, they will be coarse, but as the natural fats release, they will transform into a smooth, liquid paste. This is pure chocolate liquor. Add sugar to your preference, usually about 1/4 to 1/2 the weight of your nibs. Continue grinding for another 15 to 30 minutes to achieve a finer, smoother texture. Finally, we reach the tempering and molding stage. Tempering is crucial for shiny, snap-able chocolate. This involves carefully heating and cooling your chocolate to precise temperatures, which stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals. Once tempered, pour the liquid chocolate into your desired molds and let it set completely at room temperature or in the refrigerator. You've just made your own delicious chocolate. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.